I finally read this book, Twisted Love, after so much compulsion from the bookstagram. And I finally read this, even like despite buying this 6 months ago, but I just now found the right time to read it because I had a lot of books to read. And still there are like a lot of TBR to complete, but yet I laid my eyes on this book and I completed it within 2 days. I started this on Sunday and I completed like in the Monday or Tuesday morning. But yeah, if you are a person who is in the mind of reading this book, Twisted Love, this video is right for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srinidhi and I hope you're all doing good. If you're new to this channel, I create like content related to book, lifestyle kind of content like vlog. But I'm thinking of uploading more other than vlogs like skincare, which I usually don't follow that much. But yet, other lifestyle vlogs. I think stay tuned. Yeah, let's talk about books today. That is Twisted Love. And um why this light is flickering. It's just giving me that Stranger Things vibe. So yeah, I think the trouble will not come again. I hope. I've been reading this book and I've finished reading it. So this okay. If you don't know about this book, let me give you a quick information about this book. This book comes under the series called as Twisted series, which is written by Anna Huang, who's known for King series and many other more. But I'm very much relevant with the King series, which I finished which I completed reading more than 3 books. I think up to King of Greed I have written because that is in my book rack right now. I've like read till King of Greed, and this is the first time I'm reading Twisted Love. So since I have read Anna Huang, I know what to expect. So basically, her entire theme revolves around a rich girl falls for an affluent boy. Like the boy is mainly the alpha male, that's what people tell you, the bad guy. The affluent girl falls for the affluent bad guy who is very much obsessed with her, who is very much possessive about her. So that's how the Anna Huang series is. It happens in the King series, and it also happens in the Twisted Love. I have not seen any much difference if you have already read King series. So since I have read King series, I don't find any difference between the King series and the Twisted Love because only the names are different and the characters are different. And I think this also revolves around the same plot. I guess there'll be like a bunch of girls who are like best friends with each other, and each of the story or each of the books or the books in the series revolves around each of the best friends love story, and that's what happens same in King series. So it's just a replica of King series, but I think I don't find any difference. It's just like the characters are different, but other than that, King series and Twisted Love is same. So you can relate, you can expect what is coming in the King series will be there in the Twisted Love as well. This is an adult romance, as you know. It has a lot of spice, so this is spice alert. So whatever there in the King series, if you have read King of Wrath, it's same as that in Twisted Love as well, or in any other Twisted series, I guess. But the only book in Twisted series which I read is Twisted Love, so I cannot judge the other books. But yeah, I hope that other books are like this one, because you can't like expect any major changes. This book talks about a girl named Eva Chen, and she has a brother who's called as Josh, and Josh has a best friend who's called as Alex. So the love story happens between Eva and Alex. So I don't have to give much information or info about these, like what's the story. That's your job to find out by reading this book. I think without like I hate it when people have that preconceived notion that some books, some category of books is not meant as a reading material. That is, I would have talked about this in my other videos as well. That is, people who read classics are defined as the true readers, and others are like they're not even considered as readers. And I think that's a very false, like an assumption that we all have. If a person loves a particular genre, we should not judge. They could like history, they could like dark romance, adult romance, rom-com. They're like variety of genre. It's a path. Reading is a path where you explore it and you find it. So instead of like I have seen people judging me just because I'm reading Anna Huang or any other author like Colleen Hoover, like who are not like, even though the books, some of the books are really good. Even while I'm speaking, I'm very conscious that if I like Colleen Hoover or Hannah Huang or any other author, it is not that much respected. But I think that should be broken, because in a book community like this should give like freedom to people to read whatever they want. At the end of the day, they're reading something which they love. So doing or reading something which you love should not have any constraints or judgment. So that's the safe place that we can provide for the reader. So if you're a beginner who's very much confused to jump into any genre, or like you don't have any idea about which book should I read, which book should I not read. People say that Colleen Hoover is overrated and classics are really good. But what I suggest for the beginners or the new readers is that just explore, just take that book. If you think that this book is like revolving in your head or in your mind, just pick that book. It doesn't matter what the world says. You might like a particular book, but other people might not, but that doesn't make you bad or a bad reader or an inconsistent reader. Just pick that book. If you like it, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's what I'll be telling about this book and the thought which I was having for a very long time. So yeah, don't be scared of judgments. Just read whatever you want to read, because that's what makes you a reader. And yeah, if you don't like it, put that book off and jump to the next. This is what Prajakta Kohli said, I remember. So yeah, just follow that. You'll find your way soon. So if you talk about me, I had struggle picking up like non-fictions, and even now I have that thing. But I do not criticize the people who read non-fiction, even though I despise non-fiction. But it's their genre; they love it. So yeah, and I love thrillers and I love romance. I love dark romance too. Sometimes it's nothing bad in saying you like particular genre where you know that people might judge, and it's okay if you like something. If people are judging, it's their issue. It's not yours. So that's the motivational quote I'll be saying to you, and I'll be signing off. So yeah, I'll be coming up with more other short book reviews soon, as I've been reading a lot of books lately. That is, I've completed like two more books, and I'm on my way in reading Powerless, which is a fantasy. And let's hope whether I could read it within this week, because from the next week my semester exams are going to start, and I have a very unfortunate feeling that after the semester starts I will not be able to read my books. That's the worst feeling that any reader could own. But yeah, let's see. So yeah, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and if you have any queries or if you want to talk to me or connect with me, you can follow my Instagram, and I'll be always ready to reply to your messages. And yeah, you can leave your thoughts in the comment section too. So see you, bye.